Welcome back, guys. And in your mobile, if you are experiencing the touch sensitivity problem, touch related issue, and you want to check and correct the response of the touch of your mobile, then what you need to do, I'm going to tell you three techniques, in fact, three tricks. The last one is the most important, so you have to not you should not miss that last trick. So, not wasting much of your time, if you are new to the channel, please consider to subscribe this channel. Go to the setting, the first one, then go to the display and scroll down. You have to switch on all the touch sensitivity. This should be on. Increase the touch sensitivity of the screen for use with screen protectors. If protectors have been used, then that may cause of your low sensitivity of your touch. Accidental touch protection, this should be on. That means when you are putting your phone in pocket, that your touch might got disturbed due to accidental touch, then that may cause of your battery drain also. So this should be on. Then go to the below, go scroll down, and then visibility enhancement, and then here remove animation. If it is on, you have to remove it. Your touch may, so just make it on. Prevent some screen effects. So if you are sensitive to animation and screen movement, just remove animation, turn it on, not off. It should be on. And reduce transparency and bulb, so this should be on. So these are the settings you need to do in the display section, and then go to the accessibility, and then interaction, accessibility, and then interaction dexterity, and here you will see touch and hold delay. Just make it very short. How long it take for a continuous touch to be recognized as a touch and hold. So just ignore repeated touch, this should be off, that is good. And then go back, and after that, the third one, the most important thing, you need to go to the Google Play Store, and here just search for one touch screen repair, TOUCH, this touch screen repair, and just open it. Now here just start it. Because I have recently repaired my touch, so it is giving that it is not required, but I will do something. So now I have uninstalled it and reinstalled it to show you how it works. So this app takes response time for 4 parts of your touch screen. 3 such sample have been collected for better accuracy. For best result, we have to just touch it, don't make a long press, don't drag your finger. Okay, after process is complete, we have to restart the device. Okay, now just start. So it is telling tap on the green area, make a quick single tap, don't make a long press, and don't drag. Okay, start first one. Now it is preparing area 2. This is first sample, means first sample for third. Prepare now 4. This is first sample is completed. See, sample 1, sample 1, sample 1, sample 1 for. Now it is preparing area 1 for sample 2. See, 3 samples will be collected. I will show you the all process, and after that what it is telling. Preparing area 3 for the sample 2 response collection. Then preparing area 4. Now analyzing sample 2 value. Sample 2 has been now collected. Now it will go for sample 3. So it is now preparing area 1. This for sample 3 response time collection. It is coming in milliseconds. So maybe it can vary from sometimes it may come more, sometimes less. Okay, I have not given, just I have dragged my finger, so it was giving alarm. So now this was the last sample to be collected. Now analyzing sample 3. Now So this is my mobile number, Android version, calculating reduce response time, and see what is applying new uniform response time. This is applying, and now one ad will come. We have success. Your touch screen response time has been reduced by 7 milliseconds. Means your touch screen will respond better to touch lags are reduced, typing on your keyboard has some easier. So now we have to restart the device, and after restarting the device, the touch will work more effective than the lag. We will not experience the lags. So this is all what I wanted to tell you. If you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.